Hey friends, if you wish to fix PDC Watchdog timeout blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the drivers. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates. You'll find drivers here, you can install them. The next one is to run the memory check tool. Search for Memory Diagnostics. Click on Windows Memory Diagnostic and select Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is to disconnect any recently installed hardware. Now, why? See, this is also one of the main reasons for blue screen of death errors on computers. Whenever we add peripherals which push in their own drivers, like cameras, like printers, like scanners, then those drivers interfere with the existing drivers in the computer. And what happens is that the system crashes. It causes a blue screen of death error. So the best thing to do is to disconnect recently installed hardware products. And lastly, update the BIOS. How would you do that? Now open any browser and search for the brand of your computer followed by drivers. Okay, now I have an Asus computer, so I'll search for Asus drivers. If you have Dell computers or HP computers or Lenovo computers, then go to their websites accordingly. The process is similar. So I will search for the model name of my computer, which is FA507RE, and I'll open it. Then I'll go to drivers and tools. Okay, and then I'll go to BIOS and firmware. Okay, and then I will click on download for the latest version of the BIOS, and straight away click on open to download and install that BIOS on my computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.